For HR teams, employee turnover is a simple fact of life, but sometimes turnover catches you off guard. It's not just about the time, money, and effort spent backfilling positions. It's also about the disrupted business plans, the overworked team members, and the managers who have to scramble to keep the ship afloat. But now, there are predictive tools that can alert you when certain employees are at high risk of turning over. It's not enough to know who might leave. If you want to turn things around before it's too late, you also need to understand why they might leave, so you have a chance to actually take action and retain your people. Culture Amp is the only platform that shows you the underlying causes of turnover and provides a path to fix them. Instead of sending you constant alerts that are more alarming than helpful, Culture Amp keeps at-risk groups on your radar so you can look into them at any time. Culture Amp's machine learning algorithms are based on the world's richest collection of insights from the full life cycle of over 3 million employees. The algorithms apply that knowledge to your own data, so your turnover forecast is specific to your company. From department to gender to location and beyond, turnover prediction can sense at-risk groups in real time, so you can take immediate action. Let's see what's going on with the finance team. Now you can see why the finance team is at high risk. Let's go a step further and see what proven action the platform suggests to help you turn things around. Ready to gain the foresight to stop costly turnover in its tracks? Then it's time to try Culture Amp. Visit the link in the description to watch the demo video.